On this week's boiler tip, we're going to answer a question that we got online, which was, can the conductivity in a boiler be so low that a low-level probe won't function correctly? And the answer is yes, it's totally possible. The principle for how these operate is that the water conducts electricity from the probe to ground, and the relay mechanism senses that and therefore verifies that there's water in the boiler. But if the boiler's filled with water of exceeding quality, if we've got RO or an RODI system, we're not going to have the ions in the water to actually conduct that electricity. And on some rental installations, especially at power plants, we may have to use floats for tank or boiler level control. If we fill a boiler with high quality water and we're going to run it, that unit's going to cycle up. Whatever conductivity is present is going to increase, so it's not usually a problem as we continue to run in a boiler. But if it's a problem at the onset, what we recommend is that you work with your chemical provider to basically put a mixture of chemicals in the boiler on initial fill so that we have the ions in there to make it function properly. We don't want to try to bypass that control to make it run because it's critical for safety.